best free Wix plugins you must have in 2025. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best plugins that you're going to uh, get into your Wix website, and they are going to improve your website to be more fluid, more store, let's say, or selling machine, process filling, and etc. So it is going to be very simple. So you're going to install one of the recommended app or the apps that I'm going to present for you. You can either download them all or install them all, or change the ones that you're going to need. I'm going to differentiate here the apps by the category in this video. So we are going to head over wix.com first, sign in for an account, and then we are going to select the website from the site's dashboard. I'm going to select one of the website because we need the access to the dashboard of our Wix. And then we need to install in place the app or the plugin. You need to click on edit site or design site. So we are going to have here the app store ready to install anything. So you can go ahead and head over the apps from the Wix dashboard. As you can see, click on App Market, and you're going to see all the market apps that you can have. Or you can go ahead and head over your Wix website and select the Add Apps, and you're going to see the Wix Market showing up right there. So I'm going to refresh the website real quick. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be back in here. So let's begin with the first app, which is going to be for drop shipping or a store, let's say, or an e-commerce app solution. You can name it like that plugin, which is going to be DSers. So we have here DSers. So you can go ahead and type in DSers and you're going to see it right there. So this is a drop shipping app. It has some automations that you can go ahead and put or have into your store or the specific app. So you can go ahead and automate the process of fulfillment from DSers team and etc. They have a free plan available. Also, if you are going to create a free, let's say, or use a free plugin, because here we have a free plan. And also, it is going to be integrated in here. So it will help you to import products directly from AliExpress to your store or have the integration in here. So you can go ahead and relate or link your store to DSers. So whenever you are going to receive an order, you are going to automate that order into the platform, so they are going to ship it directly from the source. Now that was the first app. Let's jump to the second app, which is going to be we are going to have here eBay. Also, we have the eBay store. So we are going to talk about the, um, as you can see here, the specific stores. We have eBay store, but unfortunately, it is not going to be free. It is going to have only a 30-day free trial. You're going to be free if you're going to um, add it or not. It is up to you. But I highly recommend for you to use Deezers instead. So now I'm going to let you see here another plugin, which is going to be Printify. Here we have the Printify. As you can see, it is going to be a specialist plugin for the platform of Printify, which is going to be well known for the POD or the print on demand of the products. We have here t-shirts, sweats, any type of clothing and apparels, furnitures like mugs or some pillows and etc. It is going to be the deal for creating here a POD store. As you can see here, we have the specific field of print. Also, you can go ahead and make the product personalized for you in here and create your own store and link it to Wix stores. Now, the third app is going to be related to the, let's say here, more for the PDFs or the file sharing, because we're going to have here some media maybe shared on the blog. You're going to have here a class or a course that you're going to make for download, and you're going to use PDF. And I highly recommend for you to use one of the best apps that I have tested here, which is going to be PDF file viewer. This is it. It is going to be free and it is not going to complicate things out. So you can go ahead and put the download option, the preview. You can have here a preview image and fast loading, as you can see, content. So you can go ahead and make a book exploring platform on Wix website and etc. Now, talking about a little bit of entertainment, we can use also Spotify to add a music player, or we can use Wix Music. So, if we are going to head over music, you're going to see the apps. So, here we have the Spotify player, which is going to be free to install. And also, we have the Wix Music, which is going to be also a blast for the users. If you're going to make the users wait a little bit of time, not waiting, but they are going to explore your website with a little bit of passion. So they are going to get here a Spotify player or a music player, insert it into your platform, and then you are going to make them comfortable with scrolling or navigating through your website. Aside from the PDFs, music, and online store, we can go ahead and have some service and events, as you can see, for the specific booking here apps, or you can say plugins. We have the Google Event Calendar, so you can go ahead and share your Google Calendar on your site if you have some reservations and etc. Also, we have the Wix Hotels, which is going to be here creating the rooms, or let's say here apartments, and booking events into the specific website or the restaurant or the hotel that you are going to hold. Also, we have for the events, the best app that you can install or plug in is going to be Wix Event and Tickets. So it is going to be preferably for RSVPs and also tickets, as you can see, and event managing. So this is going to be a very, very cool app to manage everything and make everything in order. And for the designs, let's see here if we have Canva or we have something else. So here basically I'm not going to be interested in inserting some Canva, um, let's say here designs, but we can go ahead and embed that only with creating some embeds. We can go ahead and click on add elements, and then for the embed code you can go ahead and add an HTML code and get the embed of Canva. But we can get here some of the cursor, let's say here cursor animation. So we are going to type in here cursor animation or like that. I'm going to have effects, cursor effect. This is something that I have used in the past, and it is going to be something cool. So you're going to have here some cursor effects, as you can see, and also you can add some smooth scrolling for your appearances of the images and also the banners by installing the smooth scroll, for example, like this. And for the cursors, you can go ahead and have this mega animated cursor, but it is not going to be a free. It is going to be maybe a little bit stylish for your taste. If you are going to see that it is worth it, you can go ahead and install it. Aside from that, we have tons of apps or stock apps that we have on Wix, like Wix stores. So it is going to be preferably to install everything from the Wix stack apps. We have Wix stores. You need to install it. It is going to be free to install. We have Wix blogs, also Wix blogs. So we are going to install the blogs of Wix, and then we can go ahead and manage our blog. And also we have Wix forms, which is going to help us to create some specific forms, collect payments, capture some leads, capture some emails or contacts, and etc. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.